Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Patents give inventors exclusive rights to produce their new devices. We will quickly identify which market characteristic this describes using 3 simple steps. Let's go. First, we look at the core of the problem where Aquila has a patent. This legal protection prevents other firms from entering the market and competing with her unique product. Next, we evaluate the options provided. Since the patent stops others from joining the industry, it acts as a hurdle. This perfectly matches the definition of a barrier to entry. Finally, we confirm option A is correct. This legal restriction is a classic example of how imperfectly competitive markets maintain their structure. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Remember that patents are legal barriers to entry. Trust the given.